I ain't never heard no C8 this loud. This is crazy. Anybody that just got their CDL, new in the CDL game, man, go in the comments. Let us know how it's going for you, how you liking it so far. Started off rough. Now it's going great. Get this thing sounding like a monster. What's going on, family? Y'all can see, man, we back from paradise, man. Back to this cold, miserable, depressing weather, man. Ain't a lick of sun in sight, y'all. We back from paradise, straight right back to it. Right back on the grind, y'all. We in the C8, dropping the C8 off. We're getting an exhaust done on here, so I forgot I had this scheduled as soon as we got back from St. Martin, so I had to wake up this morning. We didn't get back till late last night, about midnight, 12:30. Flight wasn't too bad. We had to fly out of there to a 4-hour flight to Charlotte, and then it was like an hour flight, 45 minutes or hour flight from Charlotte to back here in Columbus, so that wasn't too bad. I was just tired. The second plane ride wasn't bad. It was that first one that was it wasn't too bad. It was just long. That 4 hours, boy. I hate being crunched up on a plane, man. That's one reason why I ain't went to certain spots I want to go to, but the plane ride so long, y'all. It's crazy, man. The longest one I ever did was that Dubai flight. That was 13 hours there and 15 hours back. That was terrible. But yeah, we made it. We're about to get ready to get this exhaust put on this C8. We well overdone it, so put an exhaust on here for over a year now, 2 years for real. I was gonna go with I was between the Borla and the Corsa. The guy over here at Corvette here, man, my dude put me on to him, and he convinced me to get this the titanium, the full titanium exhaust. They said it sounded pretty good. He gave me a super sweet deal on it, so we're gonna try it out, y'all, see how it sounds. Get this thing sounding like a monster. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. We shall see. It's about time to take this thing back down south and have some fun with it, because all the car fun here in Ohio is over with. It's cold, rainy, snowy, and salty out here. I ain't even want to bring the car out, but luckily it ain't snowing today, so we're getting ready to head over here, man. All my day ones, man, go in the comments, man. Put your city on, put your state on. Let us know where y'all watching from today. All my truckers, let us know what kind of trucking y'all doing today. You in that semi truck, dump truck, cement truck, man, whatever kind of trucking you got going on, let us know in the comments, y'all, what y'all got going on, what kind of freight y'all hauling, what kind of rates y'all getting, what y'all getting paid out there. Is you a company driver, you an owner operator? Go in the comments, man. Let the family know what y'all got going on. Anybody that just got their CDL, new in the CDL game, man, go in the comments. Let us know how it's going for you, how you liking it so far. I got my CDL, what it's been since 2025. I got mine in 2012, so 13 years. I had my CDL 13 years, y'all, and it's going great. I can't lie. Started off rough, now it's going great. Where is this place at?
Starting route to Corvette Care.
There we go. Gotta go over this bridge, y'all.
In half a mile, turn right.
So we'll get this car dropped off, and we'll go back to the yard, see what we done missed out at the shop, get some things tightened up. They coming to pick up that Superman truck today too. They're supposed to, the people that bought it, supposed to come pick it up before I left, but I told them
turn right onto International Street.
I told them they had to come by Friday, but they said they couldn't make it by Friday, so I was gone. So now they're supposed to come pick it up today. So we'll be saying goodbye to that truck, and so we'll be saying goodbye to that truck. I'm probably gonna pull that green Sterling out, clean it up, take some pictures of it, because that one's gonna get sold next. So I got that green Sterling left, which I'll show y'all when I get back to the yard. We got the green Sterling.
Turn left onto Security Street. Then the destination is on your left.
That's it right there. I'll put a turn in there. I passed it up. I'm gonna turn the blinkers on. Talk to me. Right here. Yes, we got that green Sterling.
The destination is on your left. Corvette
that
Care.
Triaxle Granite Mac. And we got that quad RD Mac. So they got some vets up here for sure, y'all. They most definitely got some vets up here. New school, old school. This the Corvette shop, y'all, for sure. For sure. I'm gonna back it up over here. Or nah, that's about took two. We gonna find a spot back here. They got that Corvetted up in here, y'all. We ain't even got nowhere to park. Yeah, they got hella Corvettes out here, y'all. Y'all see big C8. Y'all heard how it sound when I started it up on that cold start. We gonna hear how it sound once we get this exhaust put on here. Y'all said we gonna go in here and get this thing checked in. Got Z Money pulling up right there to pick me up. Y'all see it? They said they're gonna try to get it done by today. Z Money. Yeah, they're gonna try to get it done. I should have did some more video getting the sound of the exhaust right now. But y'all done heard the car plenty of times. So I just started it up for y'all. It's cold out here. We're gonna hear what it sound like when it's done. You feel me? Hopefully it don't sound like a tin can. Hopefully it sound. Hold on, go back. Go back. Yeah, I left my book bag in there. Need that. We heading to the shop, y'all. Stay tuned. And if you ain't already subscribed to the channel, man, if you want to learn how to get your CDL, man, start driving the truck, start making a better living. You can even become an owner-operator, man, and start making a real good living. If you want to learn how to do that, man, with that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, man. Like this video. We're going to keep running these numbers on up. Just another day in the East Atlanta slab. It's cold as hell out here. I need to move. Which tweet? That's the wrong size tire. What's going on? This, I think this one, no, this one, flat. This Ray working on my brake though. All right, now they getting a 2-piece. I'm out here rearranging these trucks. Got the lights all working, all the good lights working on the Max now. Finally. So them all good to go. I'm about to rearrange some trucks. I got these trucks parked all crazy. I'm about to rearrange them and get them nice and neat. Starting everything up, man. It's cold out here. And we got more snow coming this weekend, y'all. That don't sound good at all. I'm about to figure something out. See if she gonna start. She started. Hopefully she got oil in her. What's this one? Oil. I think this the one that be leaking oil, y'all. Let her warm up. Y'all see it. Motherfucker just look like it sound good, don't it? I thought I passed it up earlier. I do say exit only, don't it? About to find out, y'all, what's really going on. They ain't got no parking spots. They gotta park all the way out on the street over here. Got some old vets in here though, for shit. Sure. What? That's a vet. That's a C1, my nigga. That's Ratatouille. Stuart Little, man. Shit. That's they specialize in working on vets though. That's why I was like shit. I had a few different spots I was gonna go to. My one dude said he came to here though. He said they specialize in vets and that's all they work on is vets. So I'm like, that make more sense to take your car. So where they only work on that car, that mean they done did this 1,000 times. They all the mishaps they can run into, they done ran into before. So let's see how she sounds, y'all. All right, y'all, we done made it. You can see the titanium in there. It look crazy, don't it? Let's hear how it sound. Come record while I hit the gas. That motherfucker sound mean.
That's louder than that cat, bro.
Oh yeah, it's louder than that cat. Look at the titanium, I ain't never heard no C8 this loud. This is crazy. That shit sound crazy. Nah, good detail. I'm good. Ready to go down south, baby. Let's see how she drives. Let's see how she sound this way. Let's beat this traffic back. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big exhaust. It costs to be the boss with the exhaust. Now I just need some knobs, you feel me? Get that bitch, bro. That motherfucker sound good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Let's see how that sound on this raw. I'm excited about it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, it's cold though. Brought to you by Corvette Care, Columbus, Ohio. Gave me a super sweet deal too. I ain't complaining at all. Definitely ready to get this thing down south and enjoy it over the winter time, y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Get ready to see what this thing sound like once we get a chance to open it up. It's the worst time too, because traffic about to start. So hopefully we can find some open spots. Trying to open it up. I'm gonna put it in sport mode too. Get the full effect of it. See if we can get it to pop. Y'all see what's going on. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, that post notification bell, man. Like this video. We'll keep running these numbers on up, y'all. Let's take this thing back to the shop. Alright, fam. She sounded pretty good. That's how I get used to that loud. I get used to that constant loud exhaust sound all the way up the highway. It ain't too bad once you get to a cruising altitude, but it's still a lot louder than it was. But I'm pretty happy so far. I ain't really get to open it up too much, so we're gonna wait till we get to open it up a lot. I got hit by that damn de-icer truck on the highway though. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, so they de-icing the highways. So now I'm gonna have to go to the car wash. I'm like, why is it so much? I'm like, it ain't raining. Why is the road wet? Then I get up in traffic and see I was getting hit by the de-icer, so I don't even know what that de-icer shit is. I don't know if it's like liquid salt or what the hell it is, but we're gonna have to get that up off here. I'm about to go do a good wash at the car wash. Cause that ain't it. You see that de-icer truck out there? I was mad as fuck, like.
I turned the windshield wipers on. One of the sides don't got a windshield.
Yeah. I know it don't. It happened to me yesterday. So yeah, y'all. But I don't know. I think it sounds good. You think it sounds good?
Damn good.
Sound damn good. You can hear it on the highway?
Hell yeah.
That motherfucker loud.
I heard
sitting
you
in
like,
there.
nigga, you was like fucking 15, 20 cars up ahead, bro.
I was hitting on that bitch like, whoa.
Especially when you shift. Oh my god.
Oh, when I was downshifting?
Upshifting. Downshift, the whole shift, cuz. That shit's crazy.
Yeah, so we gonna have fun with that, y'all. Hopefully it don't snow super bad tomorrow. It's supposed to get like 4-5 inches tomorrow. Then it's supposed to be like 6 degrees on Sunday. Stupid dumb. Which I think we should do next to the car though. Ain't too much more we can do, man. I don't like overdoing car. I think this car is perfect just the way it is. We've been waiting on that exhaust for about 2 years now though, so I think she look good. We're gonna go to the car wash and spray her off. Get her back right.